Hello friends, George here, welcome to the channel. Chariots of Fire is a historical drama film from the year 1981. The Chariot of Fire theme was so inspirational that it also made it into video games for the Commodore 16 and Plus 4, daily Thompson Star Events, and for the Commodore 64 for the game Hypersports, both from the year 1985. We will compare the TED version from the Commodore Plus 4 to the SID version from the Commodore 64. First we will listen to the Plus 4, then to the C64, and at last we will do a side-by-side comparison. How will the Plus 4 hold up against the mighty C64 with its SID chip? Let's start with the Plus 4. And now the C64. and last, both versions side by side. This was Chariots of Fire on the Commodore Plus 4 and the Commodore 64. The original music by Vangelis is a true masterpiece, who was a pioneer in synthesizers. Both ports stand out in my opinion. Martin Galway is a well-known musician who did many legendary tunes for other video games back in the 80s. Especially for the TED with its limitations, he did a fantastic job. And the C64 version is a true piece of art which stood the time after 38 years and will stand the time in the future. No matter how limited computers are, true masters can produce stunning and amazing art with their talent on them. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day or evening, depending where you are. I hope to see you in the next one, and bye bye.